Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 AutoCAD tutorial video series. Today in this video we are going to learn how to restore missing file tab in AutoCAD 2024. Okay, so generally we can find file tab below this ribbon area here. Okay, so at present we are not observing any file tab here. So to bring back file tab at original place, simply type file tab and then press enter. So now you can see that file tab is showing below this ribbon area. Okay, file tab is generally used for creating a new file and switching between existing and new files or multiple files. And if you want to again close this file tab, simply type file tab, close, press enter. And if you again restore file tab, simply type file tab, enter. So this way you can restore your file tab in AutoCAD 2024. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thank you.